my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Euphorbia box for the month of June. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. But before that, let me tell you the price for a monthly subscription. Price for a monthly subscription is 309 rupees. And if you go for 3 months, 6 months or a yearly subscription, of course, this bag will cost you much lesser, which is amazing, I guess. So I will be mentioning the prices for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months and a yearly subscription, plus the buying link of Euphorbia box in the description box. So if you like this box, if you want to order this box, just go to the description box and order your box. Now, let's just quickly see what all it has. Let's start with this. This is the cute Euphorbia bag, or you can say pouch actually. So very colorful. Let me just open this and show you. Very colorful, very useful pouch. I like it. Now, the next thing is the info card. This is the info card and the theme you can see here is Beach Please. And on the other side, this month, they have different 3 sets. I have got the second set, which I will be showing you. And yes, I will be telling you what is there in set 1 and 2. So let's quickly start. The first thing is the Code mini lipstick set, which is this. So this is by Code and it has 10 mini lipstick, which is amazing because you get to try all the 10 shades, which is nice. And I personally prefer mini lipsticks because of course they are quite handy. You can just keep them in your bag, and of course you can buy actually 2-3 lipstick in the price of one, which is nice. So for this, $3.99 is the price, and this is there in all the sets, I guess. Yeah, this is available in all the sets. $3.99 is the price for this one. Now, moving on to the second one. The second is a primer by ADS, which I have got. Yes, I've got a primer from ADS. So in set 1 and 2, they have primer from ADS, and in set 3, they have primer from SFR. The price for this one is 199 rupees. And let me open this and show you. So this is how it looks. 199 is the price. Looks nice. So of course I will be trying it. 30 ml is the price for this one. Now moving on to the next one, the third product. In the set 2, I have a nail and cuticle cream from Aranyam. And in set 1, you will get a nail polish, and in set 3, you will get a facial oil from AM Green. So this is for set 2. The price for this one is 300 rupees. And this says massage a tiny amount of nail cream into your bare nails and cuticles, skin surrounding the nails. A little bit goes long way. And the price I've told you, 300 is the price. It's a good product. Now, last product is a jewelry. So in my set, you can say the set number 2, I have this pair of tassel earrings, and you can see the color. It's pink. So of course, I'm happy. Very cute pink it is. I know right now it will actually not go with my top, but still let me wear it and show you. And pink for me actually it goes with everything. So this is the look. And for set 1 and 3 also, there is a pair of earring, different minakari and one other pair. But the fourth product is a pair of earrings. So this is the last product. Price for this one is 250 rupees. Now that's all what I have received in my Euphorbia box for June month. I've showed you all the product, and if you like it, go ahead and place the order. So that's all for today for Euphorbia box. But before ending, let me tell you the May giveaway. Yes, I have announced the winners. You can see the winner's name in the giveaway video only in the description box. So do check it out, and congratulations to winners. So that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.